Hey guys, welcome to week 2. Today is Monday. So this week you're going to see something a little bit different for your EOG bootcamp. You will see that this week, instead of doing a little bit of EOG every day, we're going to do actually 2 whole days of EOG practice and 2 whole days of our regular instruction. This is not something we're going to do every week, so rest assured it's just something that we will do once in a while, so you guys can actually get used to testing for such long periods of time, because your actual EOG will be 3 hours or more long, right? So it might take you 3 hours to complete the test or longer to complete the EOG test when you actually take it. So to kind of get you in that frame and to kind of get you in that mindset, this is what we're going to do today and tomorrow. We're going to actually utilize the whole science instruction time to complete these tests. So if you saw from your instruction today, you have to complete questions 1 through 30 today, after which you can pause the test, and then you can complete questions 31 to 60 tomorrow. Remember, after question 30, go ahead and pause the test and then complete the rest of it tomorrow, okay? So that will kind of help you, get in that mind frame to continuously look at these questions, solve them, move on to the next one, and so on and so forth. So that is literally the main goal for this week, to get you in that mind frame. Now, while you're completing these videos, please remember to take breaks whenever you need it. If you feel frustrated when completing a question, just take a break and maybe walk around and come back and solve them. Now, everything that you do on this test is based on what we covered last week on matter. So what we covered on atoms, what we covered on the periodic table, the properties of matter, those are literally all that's going to be on this test. Now, there are some questions on there that was not covered in what we learned, and that was actually on purpose. I am not expecting you guys to get 100% on this test. This test has a higher difficulty level just so it prepares you guys more thoroughly. So also to make you, understand, if you don't know the answer to the question, you don't need to get frustrated. Just move over to the next one and maybe come back to this one later at the end of the task, right? So to practice that, we are kind of sort of going to do that as well. So there might be terms like crystalline solid that you did not learn about at all. So in that case, you will learn to move on, solve the next question, come back later, and maybe take the best educated guess on that particular question. And that's how we are going to solve this entire set of first 30 questions today. Remember, take it easy and read all of the question, okay? Don't be lazy, or don't, be frustrated and take a guess on what the question is about. Instead, just read the question. I promise you, if you just read the whole question, it will definitely help you solve the answer, compared to if you were just gonna take a guess and solve it, and you might get it right, you might get it wrong, we don't know. So please go ahead and read the whole question. I cannot stress this enough, and read all of the options before you answer it. Good luck, guys. If you have any questions, just let me know and I will help you as much as I can. Bye.